Have you ever thought about incorporating native grasses into your landscape? Imagine the unique aesthetic appeal they bring, transforming your garden into a lively canvas, dancing with the rhythm of the wind. Native grasses are not only beautiful, but practical too, requiring minimal maintenance and thriving in local climate and soil conditions. Plus, they're a boon for local wildlife, offering food and shelter. So, native grasses not only elevate the beauty of your garden, but also promote ecological balance. But the benefits of native grasses extend beyond just beautifying your garden. They play a pivotal role in maintaining our environment. With their deep root systems, these grasses significantly reduce water usage, making your garden more drought-resistant. Also, they prevent soil erosion, keeping your land healthy and fertile. Plus, they support local ecosystems. By providing habitats for native insects and birds, these grasses contribute to the biodiversity in your own backyard. Incorporating native grasses into your landscape is a step towards a more sustainable and ecologically friendly garden. Now you might be wondering, how can you incorporate these native grasses into your landscape? Well, the first step is choosing the right grass for your area. Consider factors like soil type, sunlight exposure, and local climate. Next, remember that spring or fall is generally the best time to plant, when the weather is mild. Lastly, simple care tips such as watering regularly and trimming occasionally will ensure your grasses thrive. With a bit of planning and care, you can successfully integrate native grasses into your landscape. Unleashing the potential of native grasses in your garden is an exciting journey. Imagine the transformation, the vibrant hues, the rustling whispers of the wind dancing through your grasses. You're not just enhancing your garden's beauty, but also contributing to the local ecosystem, providing a safe haven for local wildlife. So why not give it a try? Experiment, explore, enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!